And my name is Rudra. We are studying in standard 3rd. So we are going to do some experiments with the help of Ultimate Science Kit, which is known as Einstein box. It is written here. So let's remove some equipment of our work. I am removing. So here is instruction manual. From this there is written how to do experiments. So there is a spoon, string, citric acid and baking soda. Then we need blue color, yellow color. Then we need this cylinder. I am showing this cylinder and putting it here. Then we need some cups. Here are the cups. We need only 2 cups. So one we keep here and 2 are here. So now we need to see in this. So first we need to measure 25 ml water in the cylinder. So this is cylinder. I have to measure in this 25 ml water. So let's measure. So there is 25 ml. So now we keep it here. Then we need 2 drops of yellow color and 2 drops of blue color. So there is 2 drops of yellow color. So let's see. But that first we need to put it into this cup. So I put it into this cup. So then we have to add yellow color, 2 drops of yellow, 1, 2. So now I need to drop 2 drops of blue color. So let's add the 2 drops of blue color. So let's add. So this is blue color. 1 and 2. Now I need to mix it. So let's mix. I am mixing it with this. So let's mix it. Wow, it becomes green liquid. Wow. Now I need to add 1 scoop of citric acid and 1 scoop of baking soda. So let's add this first citric acid. In the another cup we have to add. So there is another cup. Now we are adding. So let's add 1 scoop of. We need to add much more. So this is enough. Now we need to add baking soda. So let's add baking soda. So now there is our second baking soda. So there is baking soda. Now what we have to do? We have to do just pour the water into the second cup and wow, the experiment is done. First I will cover this baking soda. Okay, now and ta-da, our fizzy magic potion is ready. So see it, how it is glowing. Wow. It is very nice. Just wow. It is blowing. What a sound now, guys. No, guys. What a sound. And it takes the shape of triangle. See this line? Now it is taking shape of another. enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon. But wait, I buy the ultimate science kit from the Amazon. So visit the Amazon.com or Amazon shopping app. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and bye bye.